Welcome back, my dear students. In this uh, session, that we are going to see about the Tkinder programming. Um, what do you mean by the Tkinder? Tkinder is nothing. It is just a standard GUI library for the Python. Okay, the Python language has several different packages. Okay, all those packages are house designed for some special purpose. Okay, for example, for different application oriented programming, different type of packages are there. For data structures, there are different type of packages. For machine learning, there are different type of packages. So lot of pack for visualization of data, there are different type of packages. Like for creating the GUI programming, this is a package which is called a Tkinder. Okay, the package that we are going to use for your GUI design in your Python programming paper. Okay, and the Python, when combined with the Tkinder, provides a fast and easy way to create the UI applications, right? So when you are using the Tkinder, it's very simple. When you are install your Python, that you can able to install the package within this Python, where that you have installed, like pip install. You just give a Tkinder package name, so that it will getting executed, and it will provide the package with Tkinder within your Python interpreter. Okay, where you can access the widgets and the functions which you have defined within the Tkinder by using the Tkinder object. When you are creating a Python program, for creating a GUI application, you just import the Tkinder package as well. You can able to create a Tkinder object. From that object, you can access all those packages and widgets, which are so all those widgets and the functions within this package. Okay, and here Tkinder provides a powerful object-oriented interface to the TK GUI toolkit. Okay, TK is just we are going to create such as object. Okay, and look at here, creating the GUI application using the Tkinder. The first GUI application that we are going to create by using the Tkinder application. Okay, when you are intended to create a GUI application by using the Python, that you are your necessity is you have to install the package Tkinder. Once if you have installed, you can access the widgets and functions which are available within the Tkinder package by using that object, object which has been created during that program. Okay, so when you start a program to create a GUI application, so first important thing is you have to import the package. You have to import the package that is called a Tkinder module. So when you are importing this package, then only you can accessible all those package related information such as functions and the widgets. So create the GUI application in the main window. Okay, it will create the GUI application in the main window, and or one or more above mentioned widgets to the GUI applications. So here there are a lot of widgets designed. Sorry, I will show you in the next presentation, so that next presentation slide I will show you what are the widgets are available. Okay, so you can able to add one or more widgets of the GUI application. Okay, and enter the event loop to take action against the event triggered by the user. So you have to define the event separately, like, and you have to define the handler separately. Based on that, the event once enter into the loop, it will getting executed according to the executed with the action according to the handler defined. Okay, and here the first program to make a GUI window, you can see this from Tkinder import, and or else you can write this line like this also, import Tkinder. Okay, so again like this also, here I'm from Tkinder import star. Here from Tkinder, it's a package name. From Tkinder package you have to import star, means all the methods and functions. Okay, you just import all those things, so that I have mentioned as a star, you just the star mentioned all here. Okay, and followed with that, to create and use Tkinder packages and methods, I have created the Tkinder object here, tk of the function. This object will enable me to get all the packages and methods which are available within the Tkinder package, and I have assigned the object value into the variable, the local variable, which is called top. Okay, so I just to make even loop to begin, I have mentioned top dot main loop of. Okay, the even loop has begin from here for the screen top that we have defined. So this is the GUI screen that will appear when you are writing the code here, like. Okay, and what are the Tkinder widgets are available? We just know what is widgets. You may know that everyone have used your smartphones, where you can find the widgets means some other application that runs over on your screens, or any other activity. Like here also the widgets are used to available within the screen. Okay, those have some different functionality. Those are like, just like a function blocks, so you just drag and drop that activity on your screen. So like many widgets are there. For example, you can able to create the buttons, you can able to create the canvases, you can able to create the frames, and all those things that you can able to create. Like Tkinder provides various controls such as buttons, labels, text boxes used in the GUI application. These controls are commonly called widgets, and there are currently 15 type of widgets in the Tkinder that I have listed here. You can see that the button, where if you you need to add buttons in your GUI screen, so that you can use this button widgets. And if you need any canvas, so that you can able to use this canvas. And when you need some checkboxes, you can use the check button as your widget. And if you want to need your user to enter a single line text, so that you can allow them to enter the single line text by giving that widget name entry. Okay, like if you need a set of widgets to be enclosed within any particular area, so that you can able to use a frames. Okay, when you are creating such a frames, within that frame you can able to create you can able to bring out many number of widgets within that. So you can able to make or organize a set of widgets into a single place, that means frame, right? Okay, right. Next one is label. It allow you to display the messages or information about the widgets. And list box, it's just like a menu. When you need to create such a menu in your user interface screen, so that you can use the list box. By using this, you can able to give many number of options under that any kind of control. Like um, menu button, here also you can able to give some menu button. So which is list box contains set of options for the user. Whereas menu button contain a main menu and pop-up menus, right? You may know from you are using the Word, PowerPoint, and many other application tools in your day-to-day life, right? Where you can able to see that menu, right? When you are clicking that menu, from that you can able to access many number of pop-up menus which are hiding within that menu. Like you can able to create the menu by using this menu button, and menu list of menus that you can able to add by using the menu. And message, if you need to display the message box to the user, you can able to give the message with get, so that it may be the alert message, or it may be some normal information message, where you can use this message box which will be displayed to the user. Radio button, there are many uses for the radio button that you know. um, from the many options, if you need to allow your user to select only one option, that you can use the radio button. In previous For example, let us consider the main what we can say is sex. Okay, so when you ask about the sex of your user, of your screen, so that you can able to put a radio button asking which gender they belong, like male or female or transgender, whatever it may be. Okay, so from that they can able to select only one option, not able to select more than one option. If you want to allow make your user to select more number of options, you can use this check button, right? Previous we have seen the check button. From the check button you can check many number of options. Scale, it is used to provide the sliders to the users. So slider, okay, vertical scale and linear scale that you may know. I hope that when you are task pan, you can able to scroll the window from left to right, like which is a horizontal scroll, like vertical scroll also there. So you can able to draw down the screen. It will show the options which are available in the down to that screen, so that the scrolls are used by scale with get. And scroll bar, you can able to place the scroll bar here, where you can place the span and the scale. And by using the scale you can define the scroll bars, which maybe allow you to set up a horizontal or vertical scroll bars. Like text, it is different from entry because it provide multi-line text field. Because one line text field you can able to use, the previously we have seen, in order to create a text entry, right? So entry will get allow your user to create a one line text, right? Not like that. Text is allow you to create a multi-line text, so the user can able to fill a paragraph over there in using the text space. Top level, it is used to create a separate window container. So already you have created one window container. Okay, if you need to create a separate window container, you have to use top level, right? So top level will give it allow you to create a multi, so that means just different pages you can able to understand. So when you are clicking one button, it will show the second page, means you can use the top level, right? And spin box, in an entry widget used to select the options of the values. It is used to select the option for the value. Panel window, it is like a container widget that contain horizontal and vertical pans. Okay, two different pans also available, horizontal and vertical pans. But if you need a pans in your window, you can use the pan windows. Okay. Label frames, a label frame is a container widget which acts as the container. Just it's a container is just like a frame which is hold many number of activities within that. Okay. And message box, when you are written the message informations by using the message box. um, for example, when you are creating some alerts, so that alert will be displayed by using the message box. All those are called as the widgets. These are most important widgets. Okay. These 18 widgets are presently available in that Tkinder. Based on these widgets you can make your GUI screen most designed and responsive one. Okay. So all about this is all about your widgets. So when we have a time that we can able to look at the programs which are available for each widgets. And at the end of this session, at the end of the Tkinder introduction, so I will make you know the entire program structure with all the widgets and all the methods. In the next class, that we are going to see about the three important methods which are available in the Tkinder package. Okay. Until that, thank you.